So what's this, Richard? Shriner's airplane or what? I didn't know you were into Shriners.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. You go little figure eights with it out in the street?
Yeah. Doing wheelies.
Wheelies, yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, man. What conditions today? Low humidity, puffy little cumulus clouds on the top of each one of these thermals. Oh boy. The tissue's tight. Oh, there it goes.
Gave it too much rudder?
No, I think that's just right. Oh goodness. Look at that. Oh, dude, nice flight. That's a beauty.
Well, I don't know what kind of motors they're using in them now, but I saw a video of the weed hopper last year, and there were some kind of two-stroke twin-cylinder engines they got in them.
Yeah, all kinds. Anything that's about 40 horsepower will work, and if it ain't too heavy. Okay, Yellowbird, Scientific, 1939, I think.
I think you're right.
Yeah, don't go crazy. After this, we'll go look and see if that other one came out of the tree yet from the other day. Oh, the hazards of free flights.
Yeah. Uh-oh. I don't like where it's going. Come on, baby. Come on. See, it heard me. Yeah. Bitch. Yeah.
Fine example of telepathic steering, Richie.